Hey there, this is Jojo with your Astrosonics, and today I'll be talking about the full moon in Libra, which is happening on the 13th of April at 10:22 a.m. and not long after that at 11:02 a.m. on the 13th of April we have Venus turning direct. So we have quite a lot of stuff going on, and there's a lot, as you can see. I've got quite a handful of forks here, all the planetary forks from Biosonics. They're great, very recommended, one of my favorite sets. Anyway, there's a lot going on, and I'll give a quick rundown of what's going through, and then I'll just play. It's a lot, and they're quite heavy. So we've got the moon opposite the sun, which creates the full moon. Now the sun's also in a conjunction with Chiron, so it's like it's nice and close, very few degrees apart in the sky from our vantage point. And it's like the wounded healer, so we may be uncovering or highlighting some ancestral healing, wounding. There's the potential there to look a bit deeper if you wish. If things do come up, you might want to look at them in a different light. It could be a way, time for clearing them. The moon shines the light on them. And the moon is in Libra, and Venus is the ruler of Libra. But Venus is also turning direct, which is great, because I'm so glad we're out of March. March was quite a month astrologically, energetically, and I'm glad things are now moving forward again. So here we are. We have it's very heavy, these aspects, and we've also got Mercury, which is conjunct Venus, which is conjunct Saturn, which is conjunct Ceres, all in Pisces, and it's what's called a stellium of planets, because they're all very close together, and there's a little group of them, so I'm going to refer to that group as the stellium. So we've got that, and then we've also got Uranus. Where are they? Where we are. Uranus. Forming a sextile away from this stellium of planets. Right in the middle of this sextile, which is a 60-degree angle, is the sun and Chiron, which opposes the moon. So it's forming a specific pattern. It's like a kite pattern, but it's formed from a yod. Astrological terms, if you astrological, if you want to look them up, you can. Yod is YOD, but because it's not a traditional kite pattern, it's a little different because it's formed from the yod. So it's a bit rare. It's a bit rarer and has more implications. And what else have we got? We also do have Mars. Mars is square the moon, so it might stir up some emotions. So, you know, if you start to get a bit heated, just remember Mars, the god of war, and moon, emotions. It's in Libra, so, you know, we might want to mellow out a bit. And if you do bring in the opportunity for Chiron and some ancestral healing, maybe something maybe, you know, you might get some triggers and some things that might set you off a bit, but look at them from a different angle. Like, why did that happen? What is it showing me? What opportunity do I have to heal in this moment in time that may have been something repeating over and over? You might have a chance to finally let it go. And we have Jupiter, beneficial Jupiter, the benefic, the beautiful planet Jupiter. Now it's making a really nice aspect with the moon. It's got a trine, so it's a beneficial, nice, flowing aspect. So that will help bring up the positive side of all this. So I'll just play, done enough talking, I'll just play a sound bath for this moon in Libra, full moon in Libra, and also for the Venus turning direct from its retrograde motion. It's been there for a month or so, a bit longer, because they're happening at the same time, so I may as well do one big planetary sound bath. So just relax, enjoy, allow all the frequencies of the planets to integrate, and just just see what happens, see what comes up, and enjoy. Take a moment, just allow it all to integrate, all the vibrations from the planets to align and attune you and help you get the best out of this full moon, to take the highest octaves of all the frequencies there, of all the energies that they put out, and the combinations of how the, with the aspects with them. So just soak that in. Listen to it again if you want. The full moon a little bit after if you want. Set your intentions, what you want to release and let go of, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you haven't already, and to stay updated, get more small videos, and also my frequency imprinted pendants. I'm getting a lot of positive feedback from these. They're available on my website, seventhplanehealings.com. There'll be a link in the description. And also you can check out astrological.com for astrology stuff, and I'll be bringing some options to have your own sound bath created for your specific natal chart when you were born, or transits that you're going through. Or you could get it for a gift for someone else. That would be a unique gift. And I hope I see you next time.